Daily notes, project manager, sales and CRM, HR, marketing and much more. There is nothing that you can't do with this app. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you want to check it out, then you can do so from the discount link in the description. Couple of months ago, I stumbled upon this app. I was so impressed that it made me manage all my things in this app. I was wondering that time if there could be an app which lets me write within one click on entrance. Actually fed up with other apps just on this, that till the time I go and start writing, I forget what it was for. So starting with the UI, you can see it's very simple, clean and effective and solves all my problems even in the mobile app. When you log into the app, it shows all the tasks and you can even connect Google and Outlook calendar to show your schedule and video meetings. To the right we have Google and Outlook calendar, and here it shows all the events. This is a must for me because I use time blocking to manage all my tasks, and here I have it in one app. On the left side we have different views like my day, 7 days and all my tasks. We were at my day. Now if we jump to 7 day, here we get a bird's eye view at our week. It's quite easy to move tasks to the next day. You can just drag and drop to the next day. Now all my tasks show everything like today, tomorrow, upcoming and someday. To add a task, you can simply type in here, like you can add date and time of the event and it will remind you on that day. Choose the workspace you want the note to set in, and you can also add tags like priority and even create your own tags that will help you keep the app your way. And not just that, you can even add subtasks. That helps a lot. An option to add notes and attachment is also there. Moving further, you can create more views if you like. For example, the due date view is amazing as it automatically creates a board where all the tasks would be visible as per due dates and your team members can check it out smoothly. Below that we have lists, that is your actual private space. You can create different lists here like your grocery list, personal tasks, etc. so that it doesn't reflect in your calendar but keeps everything on same screen. And last but not least, we have boards. Here we can create personal or shared boards, like I have one for my YouTube videos that is being shared with my team members. We can see all the videos that are being in each state, like these are in the ideas, these are being shot and so on. So it makes it easy to see all the tasks and projects and manage your team. It makes my life much simpler. There are different views to better understand the boards like Kanban, table and calendar. Now you might ask, what's the difference between a shared view and a workspace when everyone can see it? Yes, the difference lies that your boards are your note-taking function for the team, but views is the calendar part where they can just see what's all going on in one page. Now you see that this app being so clear, clean and simple, and yet is able to pull off nearly anything you want it to be. Talking about integrations, let me warn you, you look at this page right here stating cross-platform integration. It's not that, believe me. You click here on learn more and see for yourself that it states importing from external services is a one-time protocol that imports all your current items. Only importing from external services will not sync back items to those services, meaning it's just for the name's sake of integration. Okay fine, I'll ignore it for now. But do you know they have launched an amazing feature? It's like a savior. Now you can do a lot of tasks with their WhatsApp integration. Create tasks, attach notes, mark completed and a lot more. Doesn't that save time? And I believe nowadays a WhatsApp message is much better than notifications for work and my to-do list. Talking about the pricing, great news is that you can get started for free. You can do quite a lot, but if you want to access all the features, then even premium is inexpensive. And if you have a team like I do, you can take the team's plan, which is again not that expensive. So if you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. That's it from my side. Now if you are looking for awesome lifetime cloud storage services, then watch this video right here. And if you are looking for the best PDF apps, then watch this video. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.